Your body does something strange at night, something almost no one talks about. And if you eat the wrong thing during those hours, it can accelerate aging so dramatically that researchers compare it to doubling your biological age. Tonight, we're uncovering the food that silently speeds up wrinkles, inflammation, belly fat, and metabolic decline, and how avoiding it can help you wake up younger, not older. Most people think aging is about time, but in reality, it's about stress, the kind your cells silently experience from what you eat in the final hours before bed. And the biggest trigger? A specific nighttime eating habit that disrupts your hormones, your repair cycles, and your internal clock. What you eat at night either helps your body rebuild or forces it to break down. One of the fastest ways to age your body is eating heavy, high-sugar foods before sleep. When you consume sugar at night, your insulin spikes right when your body should be lowering it. Biologists explain that nighttime insulin surges interfere with cellular repair, pushing your body into storage mode instead of recovery mode. If you want to slow this process immediately, replace sugary nighttime snacks with herbal tea or a handful of almonds to support stable blood sugar before bed. Late-night processed carbs accelerate aging by disrupting your circadian rhythm. Your internal clock expects digestion to slow down at night, but refined carbs demand metabolic activity at the very moment your system wants to rest. Research shows that circadian misalignment increases oxidative stress, a major driver of premature aging. A practical fix is to keep your last carb-heavy meal at least 3 hours before bed to protect your natural rhythm. High-fat, greasy foods consumed late at night overload the digestive system. Your body needs deep sleep to repair DNA and clear damaged proteins, but heavy fats force your gut to keep working long after you lie down. Scientists point out that nighttime digestive strain reduces deep sleep, which is linked to faster cellular aging. Choosing a lighter dinner, like vegetables and lean protein, can dramatically improve your overnight recovery. Eating anything too late raises nighttime cortisol, the stress hormone that tells your body to stay alert instead of rest. Elevated cortisol at night is linked to poor sleep quality, which slows collagen production and increases skin aging. A simple habit to help lower nighttime cortisol is turning off bright screens an hour before bed to allow melatonin to rise naturally. Sugary desserts before bed can completely shut down your body's autophagy process, the cellular cleanup mode that removes damaged cells. Autophagy is one of the most powerful anti-aging mechanisms humans have, and it peaks during fasting and deep sleep. But sugar interrupts it, leaving old, dysfunctional cells behind. To support nightly autophagy, choose a light, early dinner and avoid sweet cravings after sunset. Late-night snacking of any kind reduces mitochondrial efficiency. These tiny power generators in your cells work best when your body is in rest mode, not digestion mode. When mitochondria are overworked at night, they produce more free radicals, which damage skin, joints, and brain tissue. To protect your mitochondria, give yourself a consistent eating window so your body knows when digestion ends and repair begins. Eating at night increases inflammation if your meal is processed, salty, or artificial. Inflammation at night is particularly harmful because it interferes with the release of growth hormone, one of your body's natural anti-aging tools. Growth hormone helps with fat burning, muscle repair, and skin rejuvenation. You can reduce nighttime inflammation by adding anti-inflammatory ingredients like ginger, chamomile, or leafy greens to your evening routine. Late-night foods that are high in refined oils can disrupt your gut microbiome. Your gut works in cycles, and nighttime is when beneficial bacteria rebalance and heal. But refined oils and processed snacks create an environment where harmful bacteria thrive. Scientists link poor gut health with accelerated aging through increased inflammation and reduced nutrient absorption. A better choice is to end your day with fiber-rich foods earlier in the evening to support your microbiome's natural rhythm. Eating too close to bedtime destabilizes blood sugar overnight, which leads to more rapid skin aging. Unstable blood sugar increases glycation, a process where sugar molecules attach to collagen fibers and make them stiff and fragile. This leads to wrinkles, sagging, and slower healing. To protect your collagen, ensure your final meal includes protein and healthy fats for steady, balanced blood sugar. Heavy meals at night interfere with your body's ability to detoxify. Your liver performs its most critical detox functions during the early hours of sleep. Digesting a large meal forces it to shift energy away from detoxification, which can increase oxidative damage. To support liver recovery, keep nighttime meals small and avoid alcohol close to bedtime. Late-night dairy and sugary snacks can lead to water retention and puffiness the next morning. When your body has to work harder to break down lactose and sugar, it retains more water to dilute the stress response. This reduces the clarity and elasticity of the skin. To avoid this, choose hydrating, low-sugar options earlier in the evening. One of the most surprising effects of nighttime eating is how it disrupts hormonal balance. When you eat late, your melatonin rises while your insulin remains elevated, a combination that confuses the body's internal signals. This hormonal mismatch affects metabolism, repair, and even cognitive function. Supporting hormone balance can be as simple as allowing 2 to 3 hours of fasting before bed. All of these effects point to one truth. The food you eat at night is not just food, it is a signal. A signal that tells your body either to heal or to age faster. And the most damaging nighttime signal of all is sugar and processed foods consumed after sunset. They disrupt hormones, slow down repair, increase inflammation, and push your metabolism into chaos right when your cells require calm. If you want to wake up feeling lighter, clearer, and more rejuvenated, focus on nourishing your body earlier in the day and giving your cells a peaceful, uninterrupted window of repair at night. Even small changes, a lighter dinner, no late desserts, and a consistent eating schedule can dramatically slow the aging process. If you found this helpful and want more simple science-backed tips to live longer and feel better, consider subscribing. Your journey to a healthier, stronger, younger-feeling body continues with every choice you make.